0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 4. Discussion about study in classroom.
Muhammad is a student. One day he was going to university. His uncle, who is living near his house, sees him and talks with him as follows.
Muhammad, hey Muhammad, where are you going? Come here.
Hello, Uncle. I am going to Jamia.
Jamia? You mean you are going to Jamia Millia Islamia?
Yes, Uncle. I am going to Jamia Millia Islamia.
Cool, well, have you gotten admission there?
Yes, Uncle. I have been admitted to Jamia Millia this year.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I am very happy to know that you are studying at Jamia Millia.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
So, which course are you doing at Jamia?
I am doing graduation in Urdu.
Well, where are you coming from here? Do you not live in the hostel?
Yes, Uncle. I'm coming from my home, and I don't live in the hostel.
Why do you not live in the hostel? Is the hostel fee too high?
No, this is not the issue. Actually, there are not many rooms in the university, so only a few students live in the hostel.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Great. Are you studying well, aren't you?
Yes, I am studying well.
Well done, dear.
Thank you, Uncle.
Talking about the class and homeworks.
Okay, Muhammad. So where do you sit in the classroom?
Yes. I sit in the 4th row.
4th row? Why do you sit in the 4th row? I had heard that you used to sit in the 1st row.
Yes, Uncle. I used to sit in the 1st row itself, but this year I could not find a seat in the 1st row, so I have to sit in the 4th row.
Okay, no problem. Sit in the 4th row, but study hard. Okay, so what do you do when you don't understand something while studying in class?
When I don't understand something, I just tell my teacher respectfully, "Teacher, I could not understand it. Could you please explain this again?"
Very good, very good. Yes, do ask. Don't be shy. Okay, so what language do your teachers teach the students?
They teach us in Urdu, Hindi, and sometimes also in English.
Okay, so this is your first year, isn't it?
Yes, Uncle. This is my first year.
Very good. You are in your first year, so you need to work hard. Study well and hard. Okay?
Yes, that's right. And I'm working hard to achieve my goal.
Well done, son. Well done. Okay, tell me one more thing, whether you read your lesson before going to school or not.
Yes, I read my lesson every day because it is very important.
Very good. I'm glad that you are studying hard, MashaAllah. Now tell me, when do you read your lessons? I mean after ASR, after Maghrib or after Isha?
I read my lessons after Maghrib and sometimes after Isha as well.
That's fine. But why do you not read after ASR?
Actually, I go to the field after ASR to play football.
Okay, that is also an important part of life. Okay, I want to know if you do not go to the library.
Yes, Uncle. Unfortunately, I do not go to the library.
Why? You must go to the library on a daily basis and study there.
Yes, Uncle, it is. But after ASR, I go to play, and I hardly find time to go to the library.
Okay, I understand, but you should go to the library once or twice a week.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you for your advice. I will definitely go to the library from now.
Very good, son. Very good. Study hard, and to make your family and your name famous. Okay, now you should go to the class. Perhaps you're getting late.
Yes, Uncle. Now I should go to the university to attend the classes. See you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Bye. Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs, or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.